Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Dustin from Laptop Factory. So guys, maraming salamat for continuing watching our video by liking it and subscribing it. By the way guys, meron pala tayong bagong ilaw dito sa likod. So maraming salamat sa mga sponsors natin. At hindi lang yan, meron na rin tayong bagong kortina dito sa left side ko para medyo mas maayos yung lighting. Congratulations nga pala kay Merwin. So siya yung nanalo ng Acer tablet. So Merwin, if you're watching this video, you don't need to pay anything for the shipping. Kami nila magpapadala sa'yo ng unit. We just need your delivery details. Ganun din sa mga ibang customer. If you win a giveaway from us, we just need your contact details. You don't need to pay anything for it. So as you notice guys, ito yung magiging next giveaway natin. It's a smartphone or sa mobile phone. Actually, mas mahal pa nga to sa Acer tablet. So we'll be giving away this one after this video. Okay? So, continue na tayo sa pag-unbox natin. So, ang next na i-unbox natin would be the HUAWEI Mate D14. Bakit ito ang i-unbox natin? Marami kasi nagre-request nito na i-unbox. And, makikita natin kung mapapa-wow talaga tayo dito sa HUAWEI na to. So, let's open the box and let's see what's inside of it. By the way guys, I'm sorry, wala siyang kasamang bag. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit walang bag, not like other laptops. So, here's the unit. Check na muna natin yung mga ibang kasama. So, we got here a printed material. So, hindi natin i-open to. And then, we got here the chargers. Ngayon lang ako nakita na ganitong lagay ng charger. Okay, so, not like ibang laptop, this charger is different. Type-C yung saksakan niya. So guys, it's actually a Type-C to Type-C. Pwede nyo actually i-charge ata dito yung mobile phone nyo. Alright, here makita natin yung output is from 5 volts to 20 volts and from 2 ampere to 3.25 ampere. So guys, itabi na natin tong mga gamit na to. And then, let's talk about the appearance of this HUAWEI MateBook D14. Alright guys, first impression ko dito sa HUAWEI is napaganda ng design niya. It's so elegant. It's silver, or tawag nila dito is Mystic Silver. It's an aluminum body. And para kayong naka-MacBook Pro on a Windows laptop. May kita nyo yung body niya silver, katulad ng Mac, keyboard, katulad ng Mac, tracking pad, humongous. So, mahaba talaga, hindi katulad ng ibang tracking pad sa ibang laptop. Kasi may mga ibang laptop na parang laptop lang siya. But this one is may kita mo talaga na the simplicity of this laptop is standing out. I'm pretty sure guys that this is a backlit keyboard, so i-check natin yan mamaya. And one thing I've noticed, wala siyang camera sa mga sides. Kasi ang camera nito nasa keyboard, tetest natin mamaya yan. And the power button here is not just a power button, it's actually a 2-in-1. It's also a fingerprint sensor. So you can lock, unlock the laptop just by your fingerprint here. Okay? May kita mo, nothing at the back, nothing so much at the front then. And then, let's talk about the ports of this unit. So guys, we got here a USB Type-C. So dito actually, charge din yung laptop. So as I mentioned, pwede nyo i-charge yung phone nyo kasi Type-C naman ang ginagamit natin sa mga charger. And we got here another USB Type-A, which is 3.0, an HDMI. And then on the other side, we got 3.5 combo jack and the USB Type-A 2.0. Now, the dimension of this HUAWEI, the width is 12.5 inch, the depth is 8.5 inch, the height is 0.6 inch only, while the weight of the unit is 1.38 kilograms. And the viewing angle of this, 180 degrees. Okay, so, we talk about the appearance, now let's talk about the specifications of this HUAWEI. So we got two variants of the HUAWEI MateBook D14. It's the i3 and the i5. Now let's discuss the i3 first. The processor is i3-10110U. So the base boost is 2.1 GHz and the turbo boost is 4.1 GHz. That's 2 cores and 4 threads. while the i5 variant is i5-10210U. The base boost is 1.6 GHz, the turbo boost is 4.2 GHz. It's 4 cores, quad core with an 8 threads. These two variants comes with only same appearance, kaya isa lang yung inopen natin. The memory is 8 GB, the speed is 2,400 MHz, the storage is 256 SSD, while the i5 is 512 SSD. So those are PCIe M.2. Screen size is 14-inch and that is a full HD reso, that is 1920 by 1080. By the way guys, this is running at 250 nits. So this is an IPS display. Kahit sang angulo nyo tingnan, it will provide you a true color accuracy. Intel Ultra HD graphics, so that is an integrated. And by the way, guys, just like what I said in my previous video, in case na meron na kayong laptop na to, please feel free to share your thoughts or your comments about this laptop para dun sa mga ibang taong bibili nito, at least alam nila yung bibilhin nila. Your comment will be gladly appreciated. Hi guys, so right now I'm testing the camera of this unit, the HUAWEI MateBook D14. So katulad ng i3 pati i5, parehas lang yung camera settings nila. Same like other laptops, this is running a 0.9 MP, 720p. So it's just a standard camera, nothing special on it. Except for the camera is on the keyboard at wala siya sa screen. And what you're hearing right now, by the way, is the audio or the mic quality of this laptop. Keyboard feels, guys, I actually done a typing test and I was able to score 53 words per minute. So I think this is my highest record right now because on my current laptop, I'm just running 42 words per minute. So hindi ako nahihirapan sa keyboard na to. Sobrang daling gamitin ng keyboard. And it is a backlit keyboard, by the way. The tracking pad is, katulad na sinabi ko, malaki. Hindi kakapusin ng daliri nyo in case na you scroll around the screen. And the other feature of this HUAWEI is the HUAWEI Share. Ipapatong nyo lang dito yung HUAWEI na mobile phone nyo and then pwede na kayo mag-file transfer or kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin. Hindi nyo na kailangan magkabit ng kable para mag-file transfer or video transfer or screen mirroring. The other feature of this HUAWEI is the 2-in-1 power button with a fingerprint sensor. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-press yung button. You just need to put your finger here and then dun mababasa ng computer yung fingerprint nyo. You could use it on credit card transactions. You could use it to lock and unlock your laptop. And then, of course, other features na kailangan ng biometric. Katulad ako, pag nagmo-mobile banking ako, ayoko na yung nagtatype ako ng password, just my fingerprint. So, I think it will be advantage to some of the other customers na merong fingerprint yung laptop. Alright guys, so we've talked about the appearance, we talked about the specification. Now, it's the time that we open the chassis of this unit. Tingnan natin kung ano yung pwedeng upgrade sa laptop na to. Tawagin natin yung technician natin para open yung chassis. Okay, thank you sa technician natin na nag-open ng chassis. First impression, malaki yung battery niya. Actually, when I was trying to use this laptop, it was an 85%. Running duration is around mga 4 hours. So, I'm pretty sure that this could run up to 6 hours. Dun nga sa mga gumamit na nito or meron na nito, please tell us kung gaano kahaba yung battery usage nito. Okay? Now, about the memory, I don't see where the memory is. Probably it's already on board. The storage is actually here. So this is an i5 variant. So this is a 512 SSD because the i3 is 256. I got here the fan and I'm pretty sure the processor is here. Sync pipe or heat sink. Ito. And actually, napansin ko yung air outlet niya kasi if you're gonna look at the side of the laptop, wala siyang ventilation kung saan mag-out. Actually, ang out niya dito sa likod ng laptop. It actually gonna flow through the screen of the laptop. Anong advantage ng pag ganon? In case na you are in a cold area, hindi magmo-moist yung screen. Walang parang moisture. Kasi nagbo-blow to directly doon sa LCD nung screen. So we got here 2 speakers, the left and the right. So guys, just to sum it up, ang pwede nyo lang palitan dito yung SSD is either tatanggalin nyo yung 512 na to, gagawin nyo 1 tera, but it will be an hassle kasi ililipat nyo pa yung OS doon sa 512, ililipat nyo pa sa 1 tera. So I would suggest if you want to maximize the storage, you should use an external HDD for this. To sum it up ulit, walang kailangan i-upgrade dito, neither the storage or the memory. Pros and cons of this HUAWEI MateBook D14. The pros, first of all, pros na to is its appearance itself. Its elegant design. So makikita nyo talaga, mapapawaw ka talaga sa design nito. It's look like a MacBook Pro on a Windows laptop. And other pros is yung pagka-bezeled screen niya. Kasi pag nilagay mo yung camera dito sa taas, of course, it will consume more borders. So para mas magandang tignan, nilagay nila yung camera sa ilalim. And then, other pros, it has its fingerprint sensor. It's a 2-in-1. Keyboard feels, of course, because of its chiclet design, I was able to score 53 words per minute. That is my highest. Tracking pad is okay. Hindi siya maliit. Actually, swak na swak siya. Kung ano yung size ng laptop, parang ganun din. Ulitin ko guys, it's like a MacBook on a Windows laptop. And the other pros on this unit, it comes with a long battery life. As I mentioned kanina, 85%. I'm on 4 hours battery life. I'm pretty sure that this could last up to 5 to 6 hours if you're just gonna do some typing or just watching videos. Now, let's talk about the cons. First of all, the upgrades, hindi ka makakapag-upgrade dito ng another memory or another storage because the memory is already on board. And there's only one storage for this. It's either you replace the storage but you cannot add a storage. Probably the other cons, since the camera is below, katulad nung ibang laptops, ang nakikita sa akin yung chin. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang laptop na nasa taas, nakikita yung normal view mo. And in supports, parang nakukulangan ako kasi dito sa tatlong side na to is we got here tatlong port. On the other side, there's only one USB port. Kasi pag kinabit mo na yung charger mo dito, wala ka na makakabit na another USB Type-C. Probably because of its thin design, that's why hindi ka makakalagay ng enough ports. And by the way, it doesn't have a LAN port, so this is connected through Wi-Fi. Okay, so sino ba ang target market nitong unit na to? If you have the budget, kasi medyo mas pricey siya compared sa normal i3, pati i5, we'll tell the price later. But the price of it is actually sakto lang din because what you're paying is for the appearance and for the special feature itself. Now, if we're gonna talk about the specifications, it's actually ideal for students. It's also ideal for photo editing, like Adobe Photoshop, and then also some video editing. It's also good for IT students. You could actually use for minimal AutoCAD. By the way, it's for the i5 variant. You cannot run like a AAA games on this because it's just running an integrated graphics. Okay? About the games, well, ang pwede mo nga dito yung mga Genshin Impact, Plants vs. Zombies, like Axie Infinity, and then yung mga basic games. Actually, Dota 2 will run here, by the way. May mga customers naman kasi not into games, ganyan. So, for the price of this unit, if you're gonna buy this, the i5 variant is nasa 43,000 or 42,000, but here in Laptop Factory, we're just selling at 39,000. While the i3 variant, outside, you're gonna buy it around mga 35 to 34,000, but here in Laptop Factory, it's just 32,000. So you can actually purchase this in any of our stores. We got stores nationwide. We're just gonna list the stores at the end of the video. In case na ayaw nyo pumunta sa store namin, we do cash on delivery. If you're here in Metro Manila, it will be our own couriers. If outside Metro Manila, it would be LBC. They offer cash on delivery. They also offer installment like home credit and Billease. Maraming salamat sa pag-continue watching and supporting our page, guys. Now, if you want to win a giveaway, it's just simple. Just like our page, subscribe to our page, and share this video to your online platform. And we have this randomizer that we're gonna choose kung sino yung nag-comply nun. And once you comply it, pwedeng kayo manalo. And for those sa mga nanalo, pwede ulit manalo. Then again, wala kayong babayaran. Okay? Lahat ng kinikita namin dito, dinalabas din namin. Binabalik din namin sa inyo. So guys, maraming salamat. If you have any feedbacks on this unit, please do comment down on our page. It will gladly help us or the other customers. Alright, so guys, I think I said everything about this HUAWEI MateBook D14. So thank you for watching. This is Dustin Kwan. Have a good day. Bye-bye.